the government of St. Martin is extremely concerned, and I don't think that anybody would expect that us asking for a postponement of a handling of this meeting in Parliament is moving away from our responsibility to hold G.E.B.E accountable. I am not going to sit here and take judgment without hard evidence of facts. Information has been presented which provided more clarity as to what was recovered and what wasn't, which was previously not known to government. I'm not going to make the broad statement you made, but I believe that the management of G.E.B.E has to answer to these specific questions to public, to Parliament, to us. We are shareholders. As such, we have a responsibility, and we hold the board accountable, the board holds the management accountable. We would like the space to be able to execute our tasks, as after such a meeting, minutes have to be made, decisions have to be rolled out, and Monday is the weekend after. It's the same people that are doing all the other work. So I'm asking understanding from the people of St. Martin for government of St. Martin to be able to do its due diligence. As I mentioned, decisions were taken yesterday in COM, but they require also a legal trajectory to be followed. We cannot state what those are out of turn of the action. Certain things, what the people of St. Martin need to understand is that this is one of our top priorities. There are several that we're dealing with at the moment. However, this is one of them, and we will do our necessary due diligence to ensure the continuity of G.E.B.E. What has been clarified, though, is yes, some people still have not received bills, and that needed to be explained to the public. That needs to be explained to the public where they are with that, what the challenges are, and we have now a better understanding of working with the data that they have been putting in by hand has been the challenges they faced with that. So while we see some effort, I would like the opportunity for us to move forward with our plan. I can't remember the second question per se, but there is a meeting of Parliament today. I don't know in how much we'll be able to respond in today's meeting, as I mentioned, with the time constraints, but any other responses will be provided by NVGB.